Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Well, as you can see, we are standing here in front of my front doors. This is my porch area that we're going to decorate for spring. I am super excited to bring in some pops of color onto my front porch here, but before I share with you guys what I have to decorate with, I want to give you an update on my office. Well, I'm going to be inserting a picture here for you guys to see. I repainted the room a canvas tan. It's by Sherwin-Williams. I absolutely love the color. The bright yellow, I was not feeling the bright yellow. Nobody else liked the yellow. They said it didn't go with the curtains. Now, of course, I was trying to please my husband, and then it's been in the room for a long time, so each time I'd walk in there, I was like, you know, it's kind of growing on me, but you know what? I'm really happy that I picked this other color. It's neutral. I can bring in pops of color with my decor, so that's what I'm going to do. And then our other setback with the office is the wash machine broke, the garage door broke, so we've been trying to work on that. So the back room's been put on hold for a little while. We're trying to get the wash machine fixed. We ordered in a part. We've been working on that for days, taking everything apart, putting the new part in, trying to get everything to work. Not going to work, so we're going to have to buy a washer and dryer. So that's our little setback with the office, but I think we're going to order our washer and dryer today, and then hopefully my husband gets started on the shiplap because it's ready to go up on the walls, and I really want to get that room done, and I can't wait to share with you the finished office when it's done. But let me share with you guys what I have to decorate my front porch with today. Well, I want to share with you guys what I got over at Walmart first. Now, I picked up these doormats. I picked up 2 of them. I think these are really cute with the mason jars and the little flowers. And I got these for around $11.50. And then I also picked up the little buffalo check pillow in yellow. I love this. And then when I was checking out, I saw this pillow off to the side, so I couldn't decide which one I liked better. So I thought, you know what? I'll take both of them, and I was thinking, you know, I could probably layer the 2 pillows. I think that would look really nice. Now this one cost $12.97. Picked up 2 of them. And then over at Kirkland's, I went into Kirkland's, and when I walked in the door, they're like, all the wreaths were 50% off, and I'm like, that is perfect. I need some new wreaths for the front door. So I was able to get this at half off. This is priced at $34.99, so it cost me around $7.50. And I just love the lavender colors. There's pinks, there's creams. It's really pretty the way this is made. So I picked up 2 of these. And then also at Kirkland's, I needed a new garden flag for out front. So this was on sale for $8. It's got the lemons. It's got my initial M on there. And then the background is blue. And then over at Hobby Lobby, I picked up this cute little sign here that says Our Nest. This came from the spring shop at 40% off, and this was priced at $13.99. And then also from Hobby Lobby, this cute little bee here. I think this cost me around $2.79. And then, of course, this is Ray Dunn. These are blocks. It's made to look like a stack of books. I love this. It does say Happy Easter, but I think I'll turn it around, and I'll use it on that little table back there. And I think this is priced at $12.99. I don't see a price on it, but I think these are $12.99. And then I picked this up over at TJ Maxx, the little lemon tree. This is also priced at $12.99. And then you can't see, but I have 2 big pots by my front door. And normally I have lanterns. I know last year I used lanterns and I put the little bunnies in there. But this time I want to go with some flowers. I haven't had flowers in these in a long time, so I thought I'd, want to bring in some color. And I picked up these little flowers here. They're marigolds for $1.12. And I picked up 2 of them. And then this little iris here. This is going to be like in the back, and then I'll have my flowers up front. This was priced at $4.97. And of course, when I plant these, I'll give you a look at how they look in the pot. So let's go ahead and decorate my front porch.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking
guys and enjoyed this video and got some decorating ideas and a little inspiration for spring. And until next time, happy decorating!